Yep, you read that correctly. I recently earned over $500 just by sharing YouTube videos. All you have to do is go to YouTube, select a video, click share, and then head to... Does your everyday routine include spending hours surfing videos on YouTube? If so, why not try to convert this routine into dollars? 2021 is the year of YouTube vloggers, and it's so amazing how much they earn so much money because of their videos. But unlike them, some people are not fond of making videos, creating content, and editing. But what you don't know is that you can also earn money by sharing other people's YouTube videos. Yep, you heard that right. This video will show you exactly how to do that in 3 simple steps. And hopefully after this video, you'll be able to use this as much as you want to earn as much money as you want on autopilot. Before we get to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I put a lot of work into these videos and I really appreciate your support. Simply click the like icon and the notification bell so you get updated once I release new videos. With that, let's get to money making. This tutorial that I will be sharing today will convert all of your hours of scrolling into hours of earning. Everything is free, by the way. All you have to do is share and collect the earnings. This strategy will work all over the world and include almost all payment options. You can collect earnings through PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. Even though this is a great way to earn money online, it will not make you a millionaire. However, through consistent effort and daily learning, then you can guarantee that this will be a big help to your expenses. Isn't that great? Considering that all you have to do is share, no required selling, no referrals, no quota. I know that excites you, so without too much introduction, let's get into the steps. Step 1. So the first step that we have to do is to come over to the official website of YouTube. You can download YouTube off the App Store or the Google Store application. Again, absolutely free, by the way. Or you can just go to YouTube on your browser, like where you are now. Click the search bar and search for any video you like. You can explore different topics based on various categories. You can choose from music, sports, entertainment, health, and even the business category. And searching for videos in a different field, you can use keywords for easy access. For my example, I will be using a topic from the health category. I can use keywords like lose weight or how to lose weight. Now, after entering the keyword, YouTube will present different videos that are all relevant to the keyword I entered, in case you didn't know how YouTube worked. As you can see, some videos have thousands of views, and some have millions of views. Of course, let's go with those that are more popular. All you have to do is select one of these videos and click it. Don't worry, we won't be selling anything, we'll just be sharing these videos. Easy, right? You don't have to make your own content to earn money too. Now, as you can see, as you click the video, it'll play, right? Right below the playing video, there should be a bunch of buttons you can click. Kindly click the share button. This will lead you to different options to share the link, but you don't have to deal with these other features. Just copy the URL or the link in the box. Repeat the process for other videos. Go back to the list of videos that are related to weight loss, click one of those videos, and copy the URL. In this example, we will be using 3 videos. Make sure that the group of videos that you will be sharing has the same relevant topic, because we will need them for our script later on in the last step of this tutorial. But now, let us proceed to the second step. Step 2. For step 2, come over to OKE.io. This is a platform that works worldwide, and they will pay you either via Bitcoin, PayPal, or any of those payment options I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So, click sign up right here. Then you'll be able to create an absolutely free account by filling up the needed information. First, create a username for your account, enter your email address right here, and create a very unique password. Verify the same password, click check on I am not a robot, unless you are, and click submit button. This is how your account will look like. So as you can see here, there's a tracking of the earnings. As far as you can see, of course, you have no earnings yet, because this is a newly created account. You can track here the updated number of your clicks and views. And most importantly, you can withdraw your money by clicking on the withdraw button right here. Alright, going back on the homepage of OKE.io, you can see the box on the upper part of it saying your URL here, with the button on the right saying shorten. Basically, you have to paste the URL of the YouTube videos you would copy a while ago. Again, paste the link and then click shorten. The website will create shortened links. And whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you'll get paid up to $20 per 1,000 clicks. which is quite a lot. And if you watch this video until the end with me, I am going to show you exactly how and where you can share those YouTube videos. Ready for the last step? Let us get on with it. Step 3. By the end of this step, you will be ready and set up to start making money. So again, I'll be leaving the shortened link first and then open another window for creating a script. You can create your hand using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Here, as you can see from the video, I already made a template that you can also use. Basically, the script will be just pieces of information that will describe the videos that we select in the first step of this tutorial. In my given sample, I used how to lose weight as the topic. So as you can see in my script, I wrote some catchy descriptions. I will then go back to OK.io and get the 3 shortened URL of my videos. You can also use any note-taking application to paste the links you snipped, but I do leave my OK.io open and get my shortened links there. Now what we have to do is paste those shortened links into my script. The process by where we earn money is to share this script with the shortened links to people interested in losing weight. How can we do that? The answer is as easy as ABC. Here it goes. We need to go over to a website called forum.net and click on categories right here. So as you can see here, there are different categories presented. You can click on any category that is relevant to the topic of your script. This will give you the idea that you can make various scripts on different categories. As for my example, our topic is health since it's all about losing weight. Under the category of health, we can see here the Dieting and Weight Loss Forum. This is the most suitable forum for my topic. This site has hundreds of thousands of members, making it easy for me to share my script. This specific forum has 186,000 members interested in losing weight. And now I can share the script with them. What's more surprising is that the site is absolutely free, both for me and for all the viewers. So they will be more likely to click on my links since I'm not really selling them anything. I'm not directly endorsing any specific brand to or any person. And it's just a bunch of videos. And if it does, you can also write in your script that it helps you too. This will trigger their interest for sure. They just have to read my script and click on the YouTube video links and watch it. Voila! We're still going to get paid just for sharing those YouTube videos. Nothing to lose, right? No painful hard work of making videos or editing videos. Steps are as simple as 1, 2, 3. Like I said on the beginning of this video, this is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You can absolutely earn a decent amount of money in this platform, but not to the extent that will make you rich in an instant, of course. And again, you can do this for as much as you want. There are no stocks and you are not selling anything. Instead of asking people to buy here in this forum, people will thank you for helping them. You'll also be happy because you'll be making a ton of money just by sharing other people's videos. Just make sure you make your script interesting and engaging so that people will surely love it. Also, make sure to always track your number of views and earnings in OK.io. What a great website indeed. So this is the end of the tutorial. What a simple earning strategy learned in only 3 steps, right? Just copy the URL of the selected video, shorten it through OK.io, and share it on forum.net. 3 steps that you can ultimately repeat using various categories. What are your thoughts about these 3 steps? Do you already have topics in mind? Share your thoughts and write your comments below. I hope you learned another wise strategy of earning money online from me. And if you did, do not forget to like this video. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you get notified once I release new videos that will surely help you earn money online. Thanks for watching, guys!